How to set conditional coloring in Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set conditional coloring in Monday.com. And if you don't know yet, Monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all of your tasks, all your data, all your details, and others. So conditional coloring is very useful because if you set it up, you will see what's happening on your board by just looking the color on your cell. So basically, you will get the coloring on your cells and you will know what's happening. So first, you can open your Monday.com dashboard. You can choose your workspace and you can go to your board. So this is my board, and basically the color will be in the cell like this. So you can click three dots here in the right corner here. Then as you can see, there is conditional coloring. You can click it, and then as you can see, this is the setup. So you can choose the color first. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one and choose cell, or you can choose row also if you want. And when the maybe status, when status is maybe done, and the color will be green. Also, you can add another option here, maybe done or other label, but yeah. So let's save it. And as you can see, when the status is done, the cell will be green. So when you open your task, you will immediately notice that it's done because the cell is green. So let's say you want to add another conditional coloring. You can add new condition here. You can choose maybe red or red. Where is red? This one. Where is red, bro? Maybe this one or maybe this one. And when the status is maybe stuck. So when it's stuck, you will immediately notice it because there is a color on the cell. So save to this view, and as you can see, when the status is stuck, there is the color, and when it's done, there is the color. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.